Why is Igbo culture going to extinction? Igbo people, listen. Forget what white people brought to us. Listen to me very carefully. Our culture is going to extinction. I'm an Igbo man. It's going to extinction. And this is characterized by people who don't uphold the culture and tradition. In Igbo culture, I want Igbos to listen. In Igbo culture, our system of marriage is different from the white man's marriage. We married according to that tradition. And according to tradition doesn't mean that we are going to levy our suitors to death. Let me come, Igbo people. I want every Igbo man who is listening to me to share this across to every channel that he or she is operating on. This is a clarion call for every Igbo man to address this issue. Many families today, you see a lot of things going on. You see ladies jam-packed, no marriage. I know sometimes it's not because only the tradition, but it's attitude. Attitude sometimes, but our attitude towards our tradition is what is keeping these ladies. When a family cannot raise up their girl child in a good way, it will make that lady to have Western culture that destroys marriage. You see how our ladies are dressing. You see somebody going in the street without fear, without shame, being naked. An Igbo person, not Africa. We have our culture in Africa. Igbo person, you go naked because it doesn't have a parental care. Even our mothers now have started dressing anyhow, dressing in a very, very bad sheer manner. How can you change your girl child? Let's come to the tradition. Igbo people should look into the marriage in Igbo land. All the Igbos. I know there are people who deal with marriage with consciousness. If you look at the number of men that are getting married these days, they are in a very small number. Because why? They don't, even those that are married don't even have money. But you go to tradition, some part of our culture is not helping us. Like now, I remember when I went to Onechambise with my friend to marry, I saw a lot of lists like this. They will levy the man that chai. So I want this to be corrected. When a man who is doing a small business cannot marry, how can he survive? Look at everywhere. You are seeing women that are with children. Because the man wants to marry, but when he gets to see the list of what he will do, it's amounting to thousands he cannot bring. What will he do? He will look for something else to present in order for the girl to go. This is Igbo land. What am I saying? And many families are contributors to this nonsense. A father will come, you buy me Isiago, you buy me this, you buy me that. Before you calculate everything, it's more than 500,000. The dowry is the only thing that keeps a man and a woman a legal married people. The dowry, whether it's 5 naira, whether it's 2 naira, whether it's 1,000 naira, 10,000 naira, that is the only thing that keeps the man and the woman together. Why should you involve everything, buying all manner of yam, all manner of clothes, all manner of bread, basins of bread, and all manner of things? So you are just siphoning your in-law to come and feed people that can kill him. If he gets him on a tight corner, he can kill him. He can kill him because he's not happy that he's coming to marry a certain woman from a certain house. Igbo people, we should put this in consideration. We should consider this immediately from now. The marriage in Nigeria is classified with 60 naira. And if I will quote in verbatim, I would quote Jehovah's Witness. It is not Jehovah's Witness that made it. Go to the law. You will see. Bride price is 60 naira. 60 naira. All these ones you are saying is no longer tradition. It is not tradition. Look, let me tell you. People that will tell you, that is how we do it. That is, it wants to be done this way. Check that person. That person is an illiterate. These are the illiterates that are in the villages that are hungry, looking for food to eat. Imagine when a small boy died, they will tell you, you will kill goat for us to bury him. A family that have not eaten 001, you tell them to kill goat in tradition. That one, I'm coming to that next. So what am I talking about? Let our children marry. Let our ladies marry. All of them are not misbehaving. Good number of them are left behind because they cannot afford the least they were given. Let us learn how to give out our children to the best person. He loves you? Yes. I love her. Give them that. What do I have to pay? Possibly. If that guy is not enough, 1, 2, 3 of your brothers to be a witness that they pay the bride price, carry my daughter, take care of her with anything you are going to spend here. It is a time we come out to recognize our culture and make things better for all of us. If you have millions, you can spread money. You can share food. I'm not against it. But when a man comes, the bride price, look at, you see, in the culture we are deceiving people. In this Igbo culture of marriage, especially, we are deceiving people. We'll come and call a man, he will spend all his money and pay, for instance, he pay a bride price of 5,000. And when they have problem, they want to return the bride price. They will not return everything the man has spent, all the 2 million, 3 million he has spent. They will only return the 5,000. Don't you see this is a deceit for marrying your daughter? And that is why many homes now are suffering. Their in-laws are rich. But the way you treated them makes them not to remember you for anything. I believe you are listening to me. I believe you are getting me. They will not remember you for anything. Some families have died that way. The man will tell the wife, from today you will not go to your father's house. Any day you put your leg there, you are going home. The woman will not go. And the father will suffer, the mother will suffer, the brothers will suffer and enter grave. Can we redress this tradition? A man comes. You love her? Yes, Papa, I love her. You know him? Go and make inquiry. Where is this family coming from? What are they? What do they do? These are the things you are supposed to go and check. How is their family? Are they thieves? Do they do what is abomination? If not, come. What do you have, my son? I have this, I have this. Pay the bride price. Take the child and go. Any day you want to do buga, come and do buga for us. Igbo people, listen. Igbo people, I don't want to know what you are thinking about this. But this, I believe, is the right way to do things. In order for our ladies to continue marrying and our men, we see the money to transport themselves and go to where they are getting married and they pay the bride price. The bride price is what keeps them together as husband and wife. Not the bags of rice you cook, not the beans you cook, not even the semo or amala you cook.